Ever wondered how your products fit into the ADC development journey, from early research to full-scale manufacturing?
This video from Biopharma Group explores the connection throughout the process.
At every stage, choosing the right equipment can make all the difference, helping to drive research forward, maintain consistency, and enable breakthroughs.
We're going to take a closer look at how our upstream and downstream equipment solutions support ADC development, from early R&D through to full-scale GMP manufacturing. Let's start with upstream. Bioreactors deliver precise control for cell culture and fermentation, whether you're working at lab scale or in GMP production. They're built to ensure reliability, scalability, and reproducibility, supporting the earliest and most critical steps in your process.
Our bioreactors are available in a multi-use stainless steel format as well as single-use to support operators working on valuable and potent products like ADCs. Next, we move into harvest and encapsulation. High-pressure homogenizers ensure consistent cell disruption and particle size reduction, essential for efficient protein recovery and vaccine development.
And for liposomal formulations and ADCs requiring precise encapsulation, that same level of process control is key to producing reliable nanoparticles for advanced drug delivery.
And for the downstream part of the process, tangential flow filtration systems perform micro, nano, ultrafiltration, and diafiltration to streamline concentration and purification, protecting your product at every stage.
Ultrafiltration and diafiltration are integral to ADC manufacturing, from R&D through to GMP. Ultrafiltration enables the concentration of antibody or ADC solutions, ensuring optimal product recovery and consistency. Diafiltration facilitates buffer exchange, for example into conjugation or formulation buffers, to prepare your product for the next stage of processing.
During early-stage ADC development, including discovery, preclinical research, and process chemistry, our Genovac solvent evaporators deliver rapid, safe, and consistent sample concentration and preparation. They are ideal for evaporating solvents such as acetonitrile, methanol, or DCM, and for concentrating fractions for LC-MS or HPLC analysis, the perfect final step before analytical testing. For final product handling, our aseptic liquid fill-finish systems guarantee sterility and compliance, safeguarding the integrity of high-value therapeutics like ADCs.
And when it comes to long-term stability, our freeze-drying solutions deliver robust lyophilization performance to preserve product quality and extend shelf life. Biopharma Group's CDMO Lyophilization service ensures your formulation and cycle are perfectly optimized for your product's unique characteristics.
With a multitude of customers working in the ADC space, we're confident our equipment and CDMO solutions can support your needs too, helping you accelerate innovation from development through to manufacture.
Want to talk through your requirements? From upstream research to downstream manufacturing, our solutions are designed to align seamlessly with ADC development, helping you deliver consistency, reliability, and innovation at every stage. Contact us at biopharma.co.uk.